Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to hopefully resolve if your desktop is not responding or frozen on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button on Windows 11 and select Task Manager. On Windows 10, you'll have to right-click on a blank area of the taskbar and select Task Manager. And now on the right side, you want to go down to the Windows Explorer entry, right-click on it, and select the Restart button, and see if that resolves the issue. You may also want to consider checking for updates for your graphics card. So if you want to go on to the manufacturer's website, if you're using a NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics drivers, you may want to consider updating those. You can also search for graphics drivers in the device manager as well. It might not be as reliable, but you're welcome to go ahead and update if for some reason it's not showing a graphics card driver at all. So double click on display adapter, right click on that entry under there and select update driver. Select browse my computer for drivers and select let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select the manufacturer specific one and then select next. And this should hopefully carry you over if for some reason you just had to reinstall the existing driver, and then you can go online and check for updates if you're still having a problem. And that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.